Hey YouTube, I'm Shanal from something, back again with another hopefully useful video. On this video, we are going to do something different. Instead of our usual review videos, we thought of doing a how-to video. Let's take a look at how to install a screen guard onto your phone. Well, to begin this we need a few stuff. Most screen guards come with everything you will need. A cleaning cloth, a sticker to take off those tiny particles, a wet cloth, and of course the guard itself. But if your guard didn't come with any of these cleaning solutions, there are some stuff you can use as alternatives. You can use a wet wipe, sellotape or a sticker, and finally a cloth that's suitable for cleaning glass. First off, if you already have a screen guard installed, let's take that off. Second, clean the surface with the wet cloth or wet wipe. You will need to do this very gently and carefully. After wiping, you can use the sticker to take off those tiny dust particles. It's very important that you do this in a closed room with good lighting. Now that the surface of the screen is ready, let's get the screen protected. Let's start with peeling off the protective sticker. And then you will need to hover the sticker over the screen and check if it is straight and covers all the areas equally. But make sure not to paste it onto the screen until you get the placements right. Now you can start the paste process from one corner using the squeegee provided or a soft cloth to move the bubbles out of the protector if there are any. Make sure to be gentle as you don't want to accidentally damage your guard by scratching it. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and to keep yourself updated on details such as this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notifications as soon as new content are uploaded. Alright, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.